FilesAnywhere has developed and now supports multi-factor authentication for all professional and enterprise plans. Administrators can select a method that requires users to have a second method to authenticate via SMS, email, phone, or user selection. Multi-factor authentication, which is sometimes referred to as two-factor authentication, or MFA, is a security enhancement that allows you to present two pieces of evidence when logging into your account. When enabled, you will sign into your account with your username and password. Then, as a second factor, the system will generate a one-time code that you enter on the next screen. This code will be delivered to you via SMS, email, or phone. Once this code has been entered, you will gain access to your account. In this video, I will show you how to set this up from the admin console and an example of email authentication. Please note that this is only available for professional and enterprise accounts. As I mentioned before, this is for professional and enterprise accounts only, since it does have to be set up within the admin console. First, we are going to log into the admin console. From here, we're going to go to Security, and then we're going to scroll down to Multi-Factor Authentication. Once we enable it, we are then going to be asked how it's going to be required. All groups and users is going to configure it as a global setting. Configuring it as groups and users is going to set the global preference, but allow manual groups and user level settings to take priority. The next step is going to be the verification code delivery method. Are we going to want to receive it as SMS text messages, email, phone call, or user-defined? User-defined gives the user the option to choose which method they will receive the verification code. Once you option is whether you want to allow users to bypass multi-factor authentication on their device after a successful login, and then you're going to set a certain amount of days you would like the bypass to work for. Note, since the bypass relies on website cookies, if the user clears their browser cache, they will be prompted to enter a new verification code upon the next login, regardless of the number of bypass days. Here you can see me logging in to my user site. Once I log in, it's then going to ask me for the verification code, which gets sent to my email address. Here is an example of what you will receive. Once you get this email, you will then see that your verification code is this. Once the verification code has been entered, it will then log you into your account. This concludes our video on how to enable multi-factor authentication. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact us at 1-888-661-6565 or email support@FilesAnywhere.com. Another option is browsing our collection of knowledge base articles by going to support.FilesAnywhere.com.